Welcome to Diamond Education Hub's teaching tips, sharing teaching ideas, resources, and advice with teaching professionals, helping you to improve your practice. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this, and keep watching to see our teaching tips. Here is another teaching idea that you can use when you are teaching suffixes. Select the suffix that you plan to use and explain its meaning. For example, the suffix ing is added to the end of verbs to show that something is happening in the present tense. Display two words on the whiteboard or on your online learning platform. Use the random name selector and stopwatch to select a student to answer your question. Remember to model this first, showing them how they can work out their answers. Read the words first, and then read the word adding on the suffix. See if they can identify which one is a real word, along with its meaning. I hope you found this simple teaching tip useful. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and visit us on Instagram for more ideas and inspiration. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.